There, this is going to be my video for assignment 3. As you can see, created the force moments here, created the rotation matrix, all of my calling to variables, created the winds and the wind gusts, the airflow, and then all the force moments there with the lift and drag, aerodynamic forces, torques, control forces and torques, and propulsion forces and torques, getting out my Fx, Y, Z, L, F, and N. Now, if we go ahead and take a look my sim. I'm going to run the first case, which is where I will not be altering the state manually. So we will let this run a little bit. Start with this. You can see the plane moving. I am not touching any of the sliders. It would affect the FX, FXZ, MX, Y, and Z as well. And as you can see, I have turned the wind up in any direction for just a great amount, so you can see that it is affecting all 3 pitching moments as well as all 3 lateral moments. So you can see that there's movements all around. It is randomized, so it'll be different every time. But as you can see here, it does all this. I have it set to specific conditions now just to test various different wind forces. If you take a look at the graphs, you can see generally what they look like. Distance in the east, north, and down direction are all changing, as well as all of the other characteristics of flight. So we will keep that going. This is at about 7 seconds. I'm going to take a screenshot of this real quick. And we can stop this. So now if we do the exact same thing again under the exact same conditions, but this time we move all the forces. Show that just randomly selecting different values for the forces, as well as the moments. So now you can see that they are affected. The wind is still blowing, nothing has changed, just rerunning the simulation. So now if I minimize this, and now we take a look at the figures, going back around 6 seconds, you can see that all of the values are different. So by affecting the forces and continuing to use the wind and the sliders are still, I can effectively change or manipulate the movement of the plane in order to counteract for the wind. However, I don't do that in this. I just demonstrate that I have the ability to. In the future, I'll be able to put control onto the sliders in order to autopilot and correct for the wind itself. That is all. Thank you.